Hi reviewers, welcome back to my channel. Uh, Here today is there one is a boom loader machine, and I got a complaint of this machine when we that operator told me when we this wiper motor button press, the machine become off. So I am going to check in front of you what's the problem. I'm going to start. Now machine is start. Okay, you can hear its sound. Okay, so now I'm going to this wiper button on, so machine become off. You can say all lights become. So now again on. So again when we going to on this button, so machine become again off. So this is a problem. Operator told me whenever I on the wiper button, because you know the today weather is very foggy, so he want to on these wipers. So the wipers are not working. It's because whenever he on the switch, just on the wiper switch on, machine become off. So what's the problem? So I am going to diagnose this problem. So this one is a dashboard of inside. Here is our all the electrical circuits. So here we're going to open the dashboard, and this one is a third screw of this dashboard. So here this is the electric circuit, and wiper motor may be little inside. Okay, so I'm going to open this one first. Okay, so viewers, I have opened this circuit. There are only 10 nut bolt here from here. So I open this one. So this is a complete electronic circuit as a fuse and all relays. So you can see clearly here is our wiper motor, and here is the connector. Okay, first I remove this connector. Okay, so I removed. Now I start the machine. Now I start the machine. Now I can open. So it's made. Now is not of the machine. Okay, so it's mean because this is a maybe is a problem is not any wire backsides, just only maybe problem in the motor. So now I just going to open this motor and check the motor shortage. If there is a problem in motor, then we replace the motor, and if possible to repair it, then we will repair it. And I open and I will show you to what is the problem actually, the motor problem, because wire no problem. Okay, so when we connect this one, so that times only machine become off. So this was the main problem. So we are now going to diagnose where is the problem. Okay, so here I am going to hold the video, and I will open this wiper motor. We're going to open the wiper motor. See? So 10 is here, 10 here. So there's a need also 10 spawner here. It's very difficult to show you people, but I tried my best to show you how to dismantle the motor. I also remove this, also remove from here. No need to remove. So this is also link, wiper motor link. So this one is no need to remove. So we just only from inside remove the wiper motor. So actually this one is a main plate here, and there's an inside bolt. So at last we are succeeded to remove this wiper motor. Now I will check it outside. What's the problem of this motor? Why this creating the problem? We check here first once again. Just on it, fix it here. Yeah. Because before it was inside, now it's outside. So I just only going to check on. Off. Yes. Off. 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 What is the problem? Actually, problems is there. Yes. On. This is main relay. Wait. This is a main relay. You can see this is our this one. This one is our main relay. This creating problem when we switch on. Okay. This. Okay. On. This is when we switch it. Maybe this one is a motor shortage. So this main relay which on of the machine. So this one making problem. So now we are going to check it. Okay. As you can see, I have opened this wiper motor. So I have not found any problem. So I think here just only problem of this. 1 minute. I just want to show you this one. Maybe this area. This one maybe touches to here. You know, say one connection is here. One is connection is here. This side. And also here, this one. Only problem is this one, maybe this is stitches of this one. So this area maybe touches here. So due to this one, this motor becomes short. So I am just adjust this one and try to fix in this way. This area not touch to anywhere here in the stitches of this wire. So now I'm going to fix back. So this one. Viewers, I have fixed back this motor, and now I'm going to check it. Is a problem finished or not? If problem not finished, then I will fix an other motor. I have also other motor. So first I check it is working or not working. Hi viewers, so I have testing this motor which I have repaired one. So I just not fix back, but just only I put his connectors there. So now in front of you I will going to on this one, and you can see this is the switch. So I on the switch, so you can see motor is